The last dog to go in this exciting 16-inch class is Pink, the Border Collie, handled by Jennifer Crank from Pickerington, Ohio.
Pink wants to get the party started tonight.
That is it.
Come here, get it. Come, sit, stay, stay. Okay.
Jennifer making sure Pink's in that contact zone. Jennifer's up ahead right there. Look at Pink fly!
You can't stay ahead of Pink for too long.
Stay, stay. Good job. Look at the extension Pink is doing on these jumps. Just beautiful. Nice extension all the way around.
Pink's ahead of the pace. Through the weak pulse.
Just stay smooth and clean.
Phenomenal job. And